Hello, welcome back to Berdu channel. This video is the second part of creating pre-order products on your website. In this video, we'll focus on how to process pre-order product orders and customize the complete payment page for customers to complete their payments. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the Berdu channel to access hundreds of tutorials. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell. Here, I'm on the pre-order product page for a custom cardinal with a pre-order period of 7 days. The price is $100 with a down payment of $30. There's also a full payment option. Suppose a customer checks out and completes the down payment. This is the invoice page and down payment confirmation for the customer. The status is not paid. As a seller, go to the order list page to see the recently created order. Check the order details. Here, the down payment amount is $30.82. Why the additional 82 cents? Because we've activated a unique payment code system in Berdu, adding a unique 3-digit number at the end of payments. Now, just say the customer has paid and confirmed their down payment. As sellers, we can mark this as paid by clicking Mark as Paid. The status now shows Paid, and the remaining balance appears. The calculation is the total product price plus shipping, minus the down payment, including the unique bank transfer code. Once the customer pays the down payment, the invoice page updates from unpaid to down payment, indicating the down payment is paid. Customers see an option to complete payment, prompting them to settle the remaining amount. This page is customer-facing, and you can still customize its appearance. Open a new tab. Go to your Berdu website's dashboard. Navigate to Layout, then Edit Layout. Hover over the navigation and select Complete Payment. Here you can select an order example, click Settings. Similar to the checkout page, you customize the design layout, text. You can also customize payment methods. For instance, I'll add the credit card payment here. You can further customize design settings, including form text color, form width, name size, name font, text size, borders, and more. The complete button appearance can be adjusted, including its color and adding icons. Once satisfied, click Done and save. Refresh the Complete Payment tab to see changes. Customers click Complete Payment, fill in required data, and click Confirm. Upon completion, the status changes to Awaiting Seller Confirmation. As a seller, refresh the Order Details tab. Since the customer completed the balance payment, the status updates to Confirmable. Click Confirm Payment to update the status to Paid. The invoice page now indicates Paid, meaning fully settled. Finally, proceed with shipping. On the order list page, multiple unpaid products can be marked as paid via Batch Update. For pre-order products, note there are 2 payments, down payment and balance. Clicking Mark Payment marks both the down payment and remaining payment as paid simultaneously. To individually mark payments, use manual adjustments on the order detail page. We hope you found this video helpful. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more exciting content. See you soon!